Have you ever wanted to read the Mahabharata but felt intimidated by its sheer size? With over 1 lakh verses, it is one of the longest epics in the world. So, if someone told you there is a book that can help you understand Mahabharata in a much simpler and more structured way, would you read it? I recently finished reading Mahabharata Unravelled, lesser known facets of a well known history by Ami Ganatra, and today I am going to share my honest thoughts on this book. Talking about the book, let's first know a little about the author. Ami Ganatra is an alumna of IIM Ahmedabad, a certified yoga instructor and a student of Sanskrit and Indian knowledge systems. Her background is reflected throughout the book. Instead of relying on popular retellings, she tries to explain the Mahabharata through traditional sources and careful study. That is one of the reasons I found this book so interesting. The book is divided into several well-organized sections. One thing that really impressed me is that the author summarizes the entire Mahabharata in around 10 pages. Of course, no one can fully explain such a vast epic in just 10 pages, but this summary gives readers a clear roadmap before they dive deeper into the story. If you have already read the Mahabharata, it is an excellent revision. And if you are completely new to it, it helps you understand the overall picture before exploring the details. I personally found this approach very helpful. One of my favorite parts of the book is the discussion on dharma. Instead of giving a single definition, the author explains how different great personalities understood dharma. She also discusses Vidura's wisdom. According to Vidura, whenever we face an ethical dilemma, we should choose the path that serves the greater good. Sacrifice one person to protect the village, sacrifice the village to protect the nation, but to protect your own conscience, be willing to sacrifice everything. Because a guilt-free conscience brings true inner peace. Another beautiful teaching discussed in the book is Vyasa's famous statement, Dharma ebo hata hanti dharma rakshata rakshita. Dharma destroys those who destroy it and protects those who protect it. After these introductory chapters, the book moves into the Mahabharata itself. It begins with King Janmejaya's Sarpajagya, explains the Bharat family lineage, discusses the geography of the Mahabharata, and then takes reader through Sanjay's narration of the Kurukshetra war. The second part introduces the major personalities and event. You will read about Sakuntala and Dushyant, the birth of Bharat, the childhood of the Kauravas and Pandavas, Dronacharya, Ekalabya, Hastinapur, Indraprastha, game of Daish, Vanavas, Kurukshetra war, and many other important stories. The book also includes many details that are often missing from popular retellings. If you are interested in Indian history, philosophies, or our epics, I genuinely think this book deserves a place on your reading list. I would especially recommend it to beginners who want an authentic introduction to Mahabharata before reading the complete epic. For me, this book is not just a one-time read. It is a book worth revisiting. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.